kullu metashe santu pe ma metipe kullu metashe kashera yakana metipe otumfu wana na she mtrimya mede
no fanti do jimi no ka
no fa jimi na me ka
wo fa ka so long
what's that ya they hope you na mo there already on here
wo busa fo yin na long
na mutu ku beni bi ma na de mi e ni ntia
so the guy wa address our cancel
David paluta wo busa fo yin na long kwa na so
minima de gonja ase boys e we area na ase boys ofia
on be so mo na afa
ana wana wonya adu
na bi se paluta anka se nanim se obi like obokro
na obi se nanim sa e fan tun so ana mu asem
nipa ma kwa se e no na ntia no ntia so nimpa e
mo dam ne 3 quarters bi so
ye kamu pa ye kamu ampa e na meme so no hu paluta
na ma so kwa se ya ni paluta ene
o hu paluta da be
mata
we
okay
o hu paluta da be
okay de wo so na minim no
awo yeme ya nam so na wo sha paluta
na za paluta ni na nipa no was so na minim
na me kwa me so na wo yeme nam so na wo
paluta hey paluta hey mi wa no we
so ba ya na sika na yi ni sase
o fani de o fani de
alo ma jata na we
afosa ko jata
na da fa de bia na me areas
kapra me de area mo ha de me dia me kona ha nyina
no titi de bia hu mi so ati
paluta
alo mo se bo so ye
unu am drop track bi man we nai we rap no me hon sensa franka me rap
I got no jealousy in me. I wanna see woman niggas swing. Me who know me say we see green. Dr. Panier, oh want me pink. Fuck you. Then this and then for your homo aunties. Gotta provide for my family, my kid. Me I don't be around my Bas. Was him. At the rain, it's your credit winter. Boss!
I
the rain.
Oh, rain and so grant me raining.
Bas, manaka, bas. I quite see
kubenu paluta munum bina minchi
aka se obisimu
wizi
masa boba kuma mu ati boba
aka se obisimu
me ba kubenu ni na be se
Divi ama word
ni na be
ure ope paluta asem de
bo de nsuo mamu ati
tu ba be sia
mote yo
ana kubenu baba ko ma
kubenu me chi ni na
o bo su okron no akron me
kubenu mote
kubenu me ba cho
ore krono me for
ana ure wi baba
ka mi tua mo de
mote kubenu
ana ore kono ti superstars no
no ne konfo
masa
o si wo ne konfo
wo ja sare na ja da che de se na ogunu ni masa sa ja wo ya mi na ya mi ni we ha
o ti de de se ma ne yi
o fie na se bibia ya se na mafana
no na fa
men fi no
na konfo ho wa na konfo fi ho ne o me ma fa mi sika
chima wo se superstars awo
wo bi kwa bia o ko bro na bia guest
me ko bro na guest bi ko yi die me ko bro na guest ko yi die o no sa
ofa
abeni da wo ye no ye fa ni ma nya koseti a wo se
onu mo sa last time nam ayi ho no na e
bo kro
ha na nya wa
na me bo kro na me bo
say o ya na so
me Wori ko ba ya wo ya bi otu osuo o ko fa se paluta e na so o ko tro no na le to
onu wo meeting am de ko ti onu wo meeting
na fu meeting
aso de no ka che ofia o
medika because wo fa se na kasa no
me kwa me
su do e konfo
wo fun wo
behe
o sa
o ni ko ba no o se wo se o ka kire me no
na kwase we ka se ma
na me ko ka se bi sika ira na se me be da o ka wa le ko
we ka se ma jenu
o ti dia
anu ni de o chia anu di nko
se wo fa se ni so bi first can kwase o de promote
ni hui o fa de ne sanka o sa ka ye ne tie ma me
o fa fa mu huro no
na fu
fa se ne me na se bibia ira o fi as na mafa won so do ka kokoye wo kana
ai won la plan stand
ya be fola na mana yo ka be fola
so sika da wa yiri so table ni so sika na da table no so wo free fie no mu ko ya le sika na na me yire wonye
no nkan si so
mo fa mu se mu no flu on ko de ho e pani fo ko se kire mu yon kan mi chi osuban Why you uncle neck at him for your crumfo? Why you uncle and Nico?
Let
me know young crumfo. We know young crumfo. Let me feel. What
no, Papa ni jina wa abuni timu. Papa na abuni timu. Papa ni jina wa abuni timu.
Woni pa na ho. Ya ka ni pa ho sempa.
Obi aka won sada.
Ja isa ase.
Na me choose obi aka.
Asa we yara so ko bi ho sempa ne.
Oh, why on zebra? Ya na wo pese. Ya na wo pese wo chese.
First blow Tangana. First blow Tangana. First blow Tangana.
Ni pole.
Tangana. First blow Tangana. First blow Tangana.
Ah, ujam Facebook Tangana. Hey, ni Jimmy.
Opoku.
Ma Jimmy. Palo misro.
They don't catch me off. I'm my dancing.
Gangster, you know, Namu is snitch, me boy. Snitching so the Chua. Snitch the snitch. Yachua.
Kalano flex, they flexing ya sweat your frame man shia. Some number man and the wipe ya Joe Minjina. You want it put up John Hot, me
Superstar.
Boss.
You know, I'm glad I finally yet me a share. But honestly, let me tell you, listen to me. You are one of the best, talent in Ghana. Respect. Listen to me, if I have to pick 2 talents, it's you and the rest. Listen to me, back in America, you know, me share with freestyle on the internet, we're like, really?
Yeah.
I have to go and look for this guy.
Yeah,
what I'm trying to do is that, per se, next year by this time, it's not just Ghana, it's not just Africa, the whole world should hear about you. And one thing I need to tell you, they say, over the years, people try to chase the foreign front, per se, me call international. Listen, music is the food for the soul. And tongue doesn't know the taste. So oko India, the omudi no be na obedie. Oko Japan, the omudi no be na obedie. Wherever you go, the omudi no. And no be na obedie. What I'm trying to say is, the fact that it sound good in your ears, it doesn't matter what language. Music doesn't have boundaries. And don't worry yourself, you're trying to spit in English or whatever. English never fair enough. But I mean, this is your mother tongue. Give it to them. That's what I'm trying to say. With your language, you have a command. When you try to write, rap in English, sometimes you might have limitations. But your language, that's the tanga. You be chite okasa. Give it to them. But I'm telling you, bro, you are the best. Trust me.
Street rap ya. On say Ghana hanumudi. Ya street rap ya. My street is just what
yeah.
Right now, I'm so proud, and I know the street will be very happy. Say right now, paluta and your manager, and I say paluta and your record label, and I will be our person where they. I am so happy to be here. I'm so proud to, for you to give me that opportunity. I'm so glad.
Listen, how do you come out with your lyrics?
It's talent, boss. It's God.
Wow.
Yeah, it's good. Sometimes it's like to say the area you see kasana.
Okay.
What I say? Be one wo kasa. Unim the over camp. Be one coffee bra. Amako.
Okay.
You don't even think about it. Ucha when ya kojo bra. So what I say? So it's like the area you see for kasana. Sometimes sweetie beat and you won't have for someone as I say bra. It just come.
Wow.
It's me who say a talent that they are.
I personally deal with musicians.
Yeah.
I mean, sometimes more back in the States, me was South Africa for boys to be. I mean, you're more East Africa for boys to be. But I mean, Ghanaian
artists that are more rapping in our language. Yours, like, maybe you should do something for me to see because it looks like I say, it looks so beautiful to be real. Like,
that's a power boss. Okay, but when you be crama was it? Someone in baby a free bar and come on wish your downfall. The be a mobenya na ya shase ba we stand tall. Or cause me boso man say go bedroom time for. Nyame me dinner chi wonu ne buya one pro. Nipa ho kono wada sene ye be. Hallelujah, the devil can never stand me a day. Zion Felix is second paluta chiramo was so. Yeah, baby, you free with so I am around some better cap. Hey, I'm pimpin' so. Yeah, you just see your dreams no more been to and I need to swap with you on the Pabian and the was Sumania with a Kuhuna doctor and you fear by 4 at also Bukuramit City soup. And I can't when Yamia make a Siaminum heaven with a drew. Yeah, no one sem and a Kakarawa and sem when Yamia Sharayam come and it was goes from Pem. Ouch, up at Wabam and up and Man!
My poopa, me don't know me, you never poopa. Me don't know me, you never do.
Mr. Boss, Oba. The year now dressing thing.
Oh, very nice.
Nice one.
One kilo, huh? Ah, that's when our boy.
May see. Some day,
if now we is so common. Kakusuka, why? One eleven so.
What is a kiana? I don't want cement to my say yes to buy our baby. I don't want to my name. Simple.
Yeah. To what the souls we lost, to what the battles we fought, to what the hell.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm Basha Hoya there. I should have 1 minute to our house. As a car by Misa. But all man see. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
But you're from a virus and I say
A Japoma.
a Japoma.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, beautiful name.
Thank you.
What down has he baby on?
Yeah.
If you fit for one.
Yeah.
What now? What?
Oh, that bench.
A DBS.
And she very recent.
When him to power, when man walk as someone on your young star, when him to power.
That's the saying I any part.
Yeah. The times I'm younger, I'm from but my track must for a very longer period.
Okay.
A friend and Nana kind.
Ah?
Men and a din Nana kind.
Nana. Okay.
And I'm in an advance in Nana Abneditua. Mammy did it.
In a history, Anna. There be me come baby wage now. Nana. I don't want to know your family background.
Okay. Now, the chance said, Madame for be a friend came paluta or bonyo.
Okay.
Like, oh, why you freestyle be brief? Not a quaintance of paluta. Yeah, Madame Fonona. That can be to say, Casa and Phobia or Ben, I'm a band pa.
Okay.
Who paluta has an assistant of Honubi. And the chance say, Yen now, Bueno, so Bob Brockon and to be a very superstar. So I'll reading near Mana.
Brakas and Temo.
I was a very superstar. And I heard our superstar, so I mean, I'm born from the beginning. I'm not until like I mean,
it's good.
Yeah. We'll be up, getting the back bar.
Okay.
It is Yamana, so be a big, they are. So maybe a big on the metro.
Okay, that's nice.
And I pass answer now. Meno, me the semi trims at Dachibino. My brother, and I'm fan to touch. I mean, my brother Bassa. Since I'm not in your back, come a beat so one as a night. Then matter. You cry.
Oh, baby, I make 1 year from me. Bra.
We say cry. Come back, baby. Who one I say, who's a man from Paddy, I'm sure with them. I'm not Casa. Just a me who one who's a man from Paddy can warm me.
Okay.
Hello. Excuse me, ma'am.
Who's your mom?
I mean, sorry.
No, are you calling mom?
I'm
Do
sorry.
I look like a mom to you?
I'm sorry. That's not what I mean. Listen to me.
So like me.
A mom is the highest respect you can accord to a woman. That's what I mean. I don't mean you are a mama. Like.
So what do you want?
Oh, I just saw you walking down the street, and I just want to be your driver. Can I drop you off wherever
Thank
you
you
go?
very much.
I'm sorry. Listen.
I don't need your help.
Please.
Please.
Take it easy.
No.
Okay. I mean no harm. Listen.
Oh, come on.
I don't care even if you are going 1 inch. Like if you want to go 1-2 steps, I'll do that. It would be a greatest honor to even have you sitting on my car seat.
You hear what I said?
What's an answer? You free me honey at the ball.
A juma be now eh.
Me artist
friend.
workman.
Okay, wadam for na paluta.
Yeah.
Say or pick about that one. Everybody knows.
Yeah. Oh, so
Obey too big. Una ne be nanti.
Yeah, like me first me a part of the team.
Inti me all day.
I'm just say me na already know me trim say scan ba me nya basa me pe obesi me bi na na dey anante how pay na me friend pade kan wo me hu say
you are not serious. You are very useless. Wada we are useless and for so bia ni wo so na na we are saying
say adentina kasa
we are gede wa bo ho de ayefe. That one is true, but obejina ha madam for ni palita nti obe hit nti o hit a hey wonya artist ni mom wo ye na danfo
esa me kan okre
eno ni de he
esa me nyame na me artist no na me like
na artist na nkasa na ode ne hit na obeba be hit na kope oba na nka be ka che me mposa obe pema ma artist no wo momu se be pafa artist ni hit a wo na obe yeden wo ye ne workman
how no guarantee na
wo ye useless kope adwuma ye wate we are useless. I be jina say na madam for pan paluta na nche obe hit. Into ono ko show ni man 1 billion obe ma say. Obe ma say 100 million. Na me mama me say. Excuse me. Next time me chem give na for me de me search say be obi adenji.
Try.
Ah. Rade. You want to try me? Obe ka say kaka try. Men try. Men na ma hu say metimi aye. Next time, when your baby are fan who are cute biano, Mimi Muade, and for here me she say, Madame for ench or behit. What down for behit into me found away. Excuse me, Ghana boys are moving.
My dear, be double man, so we shall show. My dear, be double man, so we shall show. My dear, be double man, so we shall show. Mr. My dear, be double man, so me shan't show. My dear, be double man.
Maka say ya.
How be kasa? Ofeli o. Eh. Ofeli fucking.
To again on po bia o.
Ofeli fucking. Hey. The people there what to form crowd. And you are useless.
Now what kasa?
Who say polu? Let me cry. Was me dressing. Come a nice boy by me. O polena o rasta say impunam na dia dia.
Wakampuna mu. Asama ge ka wakampuna mu asia. Obi aka zo e fa no kampuna mu. Ade de ntarka ya say kimpaluta ko wa enya 1 billion me nya 100 million also say impuna. Asa church matter na me papa was na waboda man.
It's a step on stone.
Renko.
That be a coin. Ah, that be.
I was run up ba na
that be me
ba na pena.
That me the meaning say me dressing. That be me the meaning say me dressing. Na zero coin.
Yanko fie.
Be ko coin. Ah, bejina na me.
Be yanko fie.
Bejina me mo to won fa ho.
Fa mo to won fa no.
That they get it I open one.
Yes statue.
Ah, na they get it.
Me dem ko na ma pa ba 1
virus. Hey, get on you. Timmy Pauline nyina.
Please.
I said I don't need your help. Okay.
Please. Oh,
excuse
listen.
me.
Hello.
Oh, come on. Hey, why are you disturbing?
Please. You cannot afford to embarrass me in public like this. Okay, please. It takes a lot to just approach you. Please. Just accept it. I just want to give you a ride. I mean no harm. Right, nothing else.
Just a ride.
That's it. All right, there you go. Come on, please. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. I'm opening out your door for you.
No, that person's acting card.
Okay.